and clear. Might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 19. Anybody got their ears on?
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms in the mountains of North Carolina. Tonight we are going to be making something very interesting and probably a very poor idea, but I was at Shelby HamFest and I picked up this. This is a Tram 3 5-inch magnet mount. It theoretically is able to hold some pretty heavy-duty antennas. As you know, the 102 steel whip is the ultimate antenna for CB radio talk and mobile use. And I had this barrel plug, which I've already attached. This is barrel spring, which I've already attached. And I'm just thinking to myself, let's do this. So what I'm gonna do is I've got the old winter beater car, my Volvo. I'm gonna take the antenna that's on there right now. I've got that Striker SR-A10. I'm gonna get rid of that thing and put it into storage for right now. And I'm gonna slap this on there. I have a 102 steel whip in reserve. So I bought a 102 whip for my truck, and I made a video on that for you on how to properly set those things up. Well, it was actually like 10 bucks more to order two, because the shipping is what kills you when you're talking about something that long, and it's just been sitting in the garage collecting dust. Not anymore. So let's go down to the Volvo. I am not going to show you installing it because quite literally I'm just going to plunk this magnet on it and run the wires through there. But what I will do is we'll go through some maybe listening to the radio in the car. I've got the McKinley set up in the car. We'll turn that on, do some listening, maybe shoot some skip with this thing, and then of course later on I'll make a follow-up video if it did not get destroyed by high winds or hitting trees, because I don't know. I mean, 3 magnets, I feel like it should hold it down, obviously easily at a stop, or maybe while moving 20 miles an hour, but 65 on a highway, I don't know. Now I know there are, Mower Junkie actually drilled a hole and added a plate and some other stuff and mounted one on his Jeep. I'm not sure if he's still got that going on, but I'm not willing to do that to my car because I'd like to sell it someday. But a 3 magnet mount or even a 4, I know they make 4 and 5 ones too, but this was an incredible deal and I just figured I'd go for it and we could just have a little fun. I'm sure I'll get plenty of looks in town driving around with the 102 on the roof. So let's do it. Come on. Hell, there it is. I don't know how easy it is to see, but it's definitely up there. And, I don't know. I really don't know. The tin is so thin on this. I mean, look at what it does to the roof. It's just going to move that metal all over the place under load. So it might hang in there. And it might mess up the roof in general. They don't make these things very well anymore, but 102 whip, that ought to be a great ground plane right in the center of the car. And who knows, maybe I'll talk to the world on this thing. Let's go ahead and move the car out into an open area and we'll turn it on and see what we can hear. All right, well, let's see what we got. England? Central UK. This is Farpoint Farms 707. Trying for it. CQDX, Farpoint Farms 707 in North Carolina. Trying for it.
CQDX 090 Ireland.
090 Ireland. This is Farpoint Farms 707. Waving a hand.
Oil 30, you are North Carolina. Blasting into us here on the South Coast Divide and 59 here on the South Coast Divide.
090. I got you in there real strong. Some people talking over you there, but this is 707 in North Carolina, Farpoint Farms. Great contact, my friend.
Good to you coming over to us here in the Miami
090 Farpoint Farms 707.
Good morning, radio. World Radio 6666. 6666, Washington State, calling. 237, we got you in the UK. 23787.
Wow. Just wow. No preparation for this video. Thought I'd slap it up there. Turns out Skip from overseas is calling. We got one contact from Ireland, and you were there for it. That's on 12 watts sideband, lower sideband. That's incredible. Wow. Okay, so clearly this is a very short video, and clearly this needs to have some more experimenting done. So I'll do a little tweaking. I haven't even checked the SWR on this yet, but I'm going to mess with this today, and we'll do some skip clips from the car on the 102, because that is just incredible early results all over the place. Washington, UK, I thought I heard a California station in there, but a lot of Ireland, UK stations. So freaking cool. God, I love CB radio. Till next time, my friends, take care.